Apple enthusiasts have long been waiting for the next generation iPhone SE 4. And now, new leaks have surfaced, providing a clearer picture of what to expect. Recently, a realistic mock-up appeared in high-quality photos and a new hands-on video, offering the most detailed look yet at Apple's upcoming budget-friendly smartphone. Earlier this month, product dummy units shared by Sony Dixon had already confirmed some aspects of its design. But now, a new video shared by a reliable tech source further solidifies these expectations. According to recent reports, Apple is planning to introduce a new iPhone SE model in spring 2025. It was initially rumored that the device would come with a USB Type-C port and a dynamic island cutout, replacing the traditional notch. However, leaked materials shared by the well-known ex-user Majin Buu suggest otherwise. The images and video depict a device that closely resembles previous iPhone SE models, featuring a notch instead of the modern, dynamic island design. The placement of the front camera lens, positioned to the left of the center, aligns more with older iPhones than with Apple's latest flagship models. Interestingly, there have been conflicting rumors about whether the device will feature a dynamic island or a notch, but according to Ross Young, the notch design is confirmed. Responding to a post on X, the DSCC founder stated that the iPhone SE 4 will resemble the iPhone 14, aligning with leaked dummy images. While the screen design may not be changing drastically, this upcoming model will feature some key upgrades. Most notably, Apple is finally adopting a USB Type-C charging port, a change that has been mandated for smartphones sold in the European Union. Additionally, Apple has replaced the alert slider with a more versatile action button, which was first introduced on the iPhone 15 Pro series. Another noticeable feature is the physical SIM card slot, which is still present on the left-hand side of the device, unlike the eSIM-only models in the US. On the hardware side, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to be powered by Apple's powerful A18 chipset. The device is also rumored to pack 8 GB of RAM, allowing for smoother multitasking and better overall efficiency. The device is also expected to feature a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with 60 Hz refresh rate, marking Apple's complete transition from LCD to OLED across its entire iPhone lineup. Camera-wise, Apple is reportedly sticking to a single-lens 48-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel front-facing camera, and Face ID sensors, just like the iPhone 14. This forthcoming device is rumored to be the first Apple device equipped with an in-house 5G chip, reducing reliance on Qualcomm. Powering the device will be a 3,279 mAh battery, the same as the iPhone 14, ensuring similar battery performance. When it comes to availability, Apple is expected to launch the iPhone SE 4 by April 2025. As for pricing, industry insiders suggest that the new model will have a starting price of around $500. Some sources had earlier speculated that the device might be named iPhone 16e. But the latest leaks indicate that Apple will likely retain the iPhone SE branding for this generation. So, what are your thoughts on the new budget device from Apple? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech.